I'm part of a group of people who we have developed over the last 25 or 26 years. Some of them are coordinators, like my friend Marvin here, who does most of the work. He has to listen to all these telephone calls, and get these emails, and I'm glad I don't have to. That's not my part. I wasn't created for that, thank God. But so, and then we have also coordinators who can teach, so coordinate teach. And then we have people who teach who don't coordinate. And then we have key people who are key people because of the cleaning that they have been assigned to do, not because of anything else, but they are important people in terms of cleaning. If we can get them involved in the cleaning, we will have an easier go. Yeah, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. Not that they're skilled, they're the worst people on the planet. Really? He says, okay, let's get the worst people on the planet to do the cleaning. Wow, I think that's wonderful, don't you think so? So, we have the biggest troublemakers in the cosmos helping with the cleaning. Yeah, I'm serious. Yeah. So why, you know, he said, why would I? Jesus came and said, why would I fall in love, be in love with somebody that already loves me? I'm going to go look for somebody who hates me. So we got a lot of people who are kind of that category who can clean, because that's what they've come to do.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's inspiring.
You suppose she got that?
No. I didn't.
Can you share that with her?
Did you get it?
Yeah, go ahead, share that with her.
I don't understand.
That there are people who so want to clean up themselves and they have so much work to do that their cleaning really transforms the planet because how much they have to clean.
Yeah. Yeah. And without their cleaning, we would have, it would take a longer
They are big
time.
vacuum cleaners.
Yeah. Mangungas. And they only showed up over the last 30 years.
Well, I don't know where to start, but it's something that I'm just very thankful for the divinity to give me as a tool to get back to where I'm supposed to be with God. I'm just in awe to have this kind of tool to be able to go back to Him. Basically, it just transforms my life, you know. So used to be, I would, for anything that happens, I would look at other people other than myself to point a finger to and say, you know, you did it, instead of looking at me.
Right.
So it just changed the whole thing. You know? So it's just cleaning. It's just about cleaning. So that's all I can say.
Well, but I get to do my part, which is not easy.
Yeah.
Because what you're dealing with is the addiction for engagement. You know, like you want to wrap your hands around it.
Yeah.
You want to get a hold of it.
Yeah.
and the realization is people cannot help it.
Right.
So somebody's got to get to the cleaning, and so the idea is that's my responsibility, his responsibility. So one of the things that we say to the staff in the class, hello, do your cleaning, don't be asking any questions at the engagement. So if they're willing to do the cleaning, the class usually goes fairly smoothly. So, you know, because they can catch areas for which I'm not even conscious of, you know. They can pick it up in their, So, but more importantly, if you're at zero, you allow everybody else to be at zero, and they get their own information, as opposed to you're thinking you're going to deliver the information. If you're coming from I got the information, I'm going to deliver it to you, you're going to be in trouble. It's going to be a long weekend. But if I'm willing to clean along with the 5 other people, the room will get what it needs, the chairs will get what it needs. I mean, really, so profound. The floor, the building, the Sheraton will get it, the land will get it, San Jose will, this will go out now and light up the whole world. I think it's different for everybody. Yeah. That's the thing I love about the Ho'oponopono, is that there's no one program for everybody. Everybody is their own program. And so the program is to really erase the data, to get everybody back to zero. And once they get back to zero, they'll be awed by who they are. They'll fall in love with themselves. They'll be grateful. That's like the word aloha for the Hawaiians. Some Hawaiians, I should be careful. Some Hawaiians, when you say aloha, you're actually saying alo means to be in the presence and ha means God. So when people say aloha, you're actually saying I'm in the presence of God. So the Ho'oponopono is to be in the presence of God, and you have to recognize that everything is really God-made. And if you mess around with them, it's going to come back and swat you. Yeah.